2, 3, 7, 57. Hello? No, I'm not interested in buying clothes for my birthday. What are you, my mom, asking me to buy formals on my birthday? Just leave me alone. Phone away, da. Dumb Megamart Buffalo Star. How do they know that Feb 18th is my birthday?
Wait, what did you say just now?
Megamart?
No, the other thing.
Buffaloes.
The thing apart from that.
My mom?
No, man, the other thing.
Feb 18th is my birthday.
Wait, back up. Feb 18th is your birthday?
I suppose so.
No. Are you serious? Are you serious when you tell me Feb 18th is your birthday?
Hey, that's the only birthday I know. Why are you confusing me now? I'll forget that also.
Because, you see, Feb 18th is my birthday also.
Oh. Even your birthday?
Yeah, seriously, my birthday is on 18th too.
Ah. Oh.
Okay.
This is awkward.
Yeah, it is. But who knows? It doesn't have to be awkward. It can be, two bonding moments between two friends.
That's why it's awkward.
Yeah. What do we do now?
முதல்ல நீ கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி நில்லு. So what if our birthdays on the same day, da? Like...
Exactly, it happens to so many people. If you ask me, making a big deal out of nothing.
Just like a stand-up comedy.
Sorry, over pesada.
Yeah, I mean, seriously, what's the big deal? What's the worst thing that can happen? This is the worst thing that can happen.
I mean, it's bad, but it's not that bad.
What do you mean it's not bad? It's horrible.
Come on, Amar. Don't you think you're overreacting just a little bit?
Literally told you 2 days back I'm wearing a black shirt and blue jeans.
Well, I guess that's where Masa got the idea from.
You take that shirt off. You take that shirt off.
What is this? Hey, aren't you mad or something?
Control.
What is this? Let go of your control.
Fuck this shit, I'm going home.
Dude, what is wrong with you, Amar? Why do you hate birthdays so much, huh?
I'll tell you why I hate birthdays, man. Because there's nothing happy about it anymore. When we were kids, we would wait till 12 in the night, waiting for someone to wish us first. We wanted gifts to be the best gifts. But nowadays, nobody even fucking calls. They'll tag in a stupid status. Not because they want to wish you a happy birthday, it's because they want you to reshare that and get more followers. People wait till the evening to send you a WhatsApp text, like a stupid WhatsApp text. Or even worse, they will text you after a few days saying, "Hey man, I was busy, happy, belated birthday." Without even fucking emojis, there's no emotion in that. That's why birthdays are not special anymore. Are you even listening?
Oh, finish talking up. Sorry, seeing some of our old videos. Got bored.
You didn't even listen to a word I said, man.
What? Listen to a word you're saying? Now, what did I ask you and what are you blabbering? Just because you're an actor, you can't say whatever you want and we'll all just listen to you. Sapa, the things you guys do for a WhatsApp status, I tell you. Very cool. The day will get better. Don't worry. You know what? My treat. Chalda, let's go have some chat somewhere. We'll have some pav bhaji.
Molaga bhaji kedakima.
A few minutes later.
Hey, thank you so much for calling her. It absolutely means a lot to me. You remembered my birthday. That's so sweet. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, that really happens, huh? What, he really said that?
How much will this bugger flutter? Nah, எனக்கு மட்டும் தான் கால் வர மாட்டேங்குது. ச்சே, for this and all recharge $500. Wait. அவன் கால் பண்ண நான் ஏன் ரீசார்ஜ் பண்ணும்? No. Hello.
Hi, Kaushik.
Hi. Me only.
There's something I want to tell you.
Yes. Tell me.
Can you please give the phone to Amar? His line is busy.
Oh my god, that's ridiculous.
Amar.
Okay. Hey, I'll call you back, okay? Thank you for calling. Who's
Phone
it?
for you, da.
Hello? Hey, Sweta. Hey, thank you so much, darling. This is so nice of you. அவன் கடக்குற லூசு பைய. அவன் ஒரு குடிகார.
Hey, Amar, at least give my phone back, da. OC la kalla podadara. Hey, vara, hey, Amar.
Yeah, why wouldn't you be vegan? Pavanda, my tangachi. She's going through a really tough time, da. There's a super crisis situation at home, Thank you, bro.
What do you want, Amar?
You busy?
Downloading some stuff. What's up?
So listen, da, I want you to send me like 3K on GPay right now.
Who is this again?
Dude, I just finished our birthday treat and you have to pay like half the bill.
Wait. What do you mean our birthday treat? What rubbish is this?
It's your birthday too. You have to split the bill, man.
They forgetting coming for your own birthday. What bullshit? Nothing like that.
Listen, I would like to talk some random shit in the name of comedy, but the cake has come.
Cake. What cake? Tell me which flavor. Don't get.
Hey guys, thank you so much for doing this. This means so much to me. I just love cake, you know.
Hey, shut the fuck up and blow.
That's what she said.
Segway machi.
Segway machi.
Why does so much build up for a cake?
Listen, I can take any insult you did today, but cake is where you cross the line.
So you did all this build up for a cake?
Listen, Amar, you know about me. I'll do anything for a chocolate cake.
It's not chocolate, it's blueberry.
What? What are you saying?
Yeah, even I was very disappointed.
Hey, Shitra, I mean, at least some of it they could have put.
Yeah, that's what. At least a black forest, right?
Cha, தெரிஞ்சா வந்திருக்க மாட்டேனே.
Huh? So you're going to lean over?
அது மட்டும் தான் நடக்காது. Cha, listen, watch me commit homicide in the name of blueberry cake. Surely முடிச்சு. Dey, Amar, are you really hurt today?
Bastard.
Dey, only you can act in the channel, da. Hey, nothing should happen, da. Are you okay? What
Call
happened?
an ambulance, da.
Ambulance,
But
da.
not for me, da. Hey, even I can go psycho, da. Even I can go
Hey,
psycho. You want to see her? You want to see her? You want to see her?
Dey, it's not
You
a
see her?
script,
Oh, plastic
relax,
knife,
I didn't
faster.
write this. Calm down.
Come on,
Hey,
come on.
control, Amar.
Hey, Paradisi.
அவன் பெரிய ஜாக் ஸ்பாரோ இவன் பெரிய சாமுராய் ஜாக் அதான் ஃபைட்ல
Oh
வந்து
my
புடிச்சல
god, stop fooling around and just finish it already.
மச்சான் that's what she said da.
Huh?
Hey!
Ha! Saw faker. This is what you call self-defense. Today is my birthday. I'm going to get this cake and maybe some diabetes and nothing is going to stop me, okay?
You know what? You can have the cake.
Eh?
Kaushik, you deserve it, man. Because, well, I can't think of any reason. Just have it.
Huh? Finally, some respect. You know, I'm going to eat this cake. I'd love to share some with you, Amar, but you're on a diet or something, and at the same time, I don't want to. So, just sit and watch me eat. Amar, where the hell did he go? Amar,
Enjoy.
Hello, Kaushik. Birthday எப்படி போகுது? மயிரமை போகுது. Phone வேடா. Chai.
You ruined my birthday, da.
What the fuck did I do?
You ate my cake, dude.
Did you almost kill me in my own cake, da?
That's the best way to die.
Oh,
Ah.
அப்படியே. Now he's saying random stuff now.
Yeah, what will you do, da? It's my birthday only, no?
Hey, who told you to get born that day? It's my freaking birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday, da.
It's my
It's my
birthday.
birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. What are you going to do? That?
My
Stand up and
birthday,
talk to
my
me, da.
birthday,
What are you
my
going to
birthday,
fucking- It's my
my
birthday, da.
birthday,
My
da.
birthday, da.
Hey gate boys.
Hey Maga, what? You cut cake, eat. Who'll take the birthday bumps?
Wait. First of all, whose birthday is it?
His birthday. You know what? Call an ambulance.
Yeah. But not for us.
Oh shit.
Run.